order to maximise grass growth and quality, grass needs to be grazed in one event and then given an adequate rest period. Continuous grazing does not allow the pasture to build up leaf area to maximise photosynthesis and promote growth, and continually grazing young leaves depletes the root's nutrients bank and will lead to the deterioration of a productive sward and an infestation of unproductive grasses, such as in this field, which was set stocked over winter. Grass rest period is the number of days between the time livestock leave a grazing area until pasture is ready to be grazed again. Generally, during the grazing season, productive swards needs 20 to 30 days to recover. This period is also known as the rotation length. The rotation length is largely determined by the grass growth rate. To explain, I'll show you a few scenarios. We'd normally target residuals of 1500, and if we're targeting entry covers of 2008, it means it needs to grow 1300 during that period. Mid-grazing season, it could be growing about 45 kilograms per amateur hectare a day, which means that that pasture would need 29 days rest, which is a 29-day rotation. During peak grass growth, in late spring, early summer, where it could be growing as much as 80 a day, our rotation length could be as short as 16 days. To efficiently manage a grazing rotation, we need to adjust the rotation length according to how much it's growing. If the rotation length is too long, that is, stock are too slow going around, then too much grass will build up ahead of the stock and quality will be lost. If the rotation length is too short, that is, stock go around too quickly, then we will run out of feed. Here are some methods of extending and shortening the rotation length. Providing sufficient rest period in winter is crucial to avoid sward deterioration and to maximise spring growth. The length of the winter rest period is dependent on the autumn and winter growth potential of the farm and can range between 90 to 150 days. Planning a winter feed budget is crucial to achieve the desired winter rest period. In the next video, I'll be explaining how to decide on appropriate paddock sizes for different scenarios.